Today, the Vice President of Sierra Leone was told by the West African Court of Justice that the decision by the President to sack him was illegal. The government has been ordered to pay Mr. Sam Sumano's salary and benefits lost since his dismissal in 2015. And with the next presidential election due in 3 months, Mr. Sam Sumano hopes it will help with his bid to become the next president. Well, let's go live now to Abuja, where my colleague Chris Ewoko has been following events and was in court. Chris, what was it like in court today? Tell us a little bit about what happened.
Yeah, well, in court today, the former Vice President, Mr. Samuel Sumano, was there with his legal team, and then the government was not represented. But the court went ahead to rule that the former Vice President of Sierra Leone was wrongfully sacked. The court ordered that the government of Sierra Leone should pay him his salary from the date he was sacked till date, including all his entitlements. I do also know that he asked the court to compel the government to pay him $210 million in damages as well.
My purpose of pursuing this case is to set the record straight. Remember, Sierra Leone, the civil war, 11 years of bloody civil war that cost us over 45,000 citizens because one single person was aggrieved, a military officer. And this time around, I decided that if the same problem under the Truth and Reconciliation Commission, one of its thematic areas was good governance, if the president would act ultra-vires to the Constitution, I will not seek violence, but I will go through the courts to restore the dignity of the Constitution of Sierra Leone that I have taken oath to. It's not an issue only of pursuing my ambition, which I am desirous, and I am going to contest the next presidential election.
All right, this is Focus on Africa.